Are you the third place for your clients? Have you ever heard of that? Have you ever heard of that place where people just want to show up? So let's talk about this for a minute. The first place should be home, but I know for some of you guys it's work. I know even at some points in my life, work was the number one place I wanted to be when I was going through something difficult at home. So work and home, those are the first two, not necessarily in that order. So people feel really comfortable at home, usually, and at work. And then where's that third place? A lot of people, it's the coffee shop, right? You go there, you sit, it's that office away from the office where hopefully you don't know too many people and you get some work done. In the old days, it was the library. And in today's day, it can be almost anywhere that you make them feel comfortable. So try to be that third place. And some of that's going to happen through the conversations, the experience, the having coffee at your salon. Come have some coffee, having a real welcoming kind of reception area, welcoming environment. Hey, if you're driving by, stop by and see us. Make them feel comfortable just being there, just talking to them. Is there a reception area where people can just kind of hang out and talk? And if you're near a school, can kids come? And is there a little place where they could sit and do their homework? Parents can pick them up after work. You know, I'm not saying you want to do all of these things, but are you that third place where people feel comfortable and they don't feel like you say, oh my God, it's you again? Or, oh, weren't you just here last week? Or were you here just yesterday? Don't ever say that. I'll see you tomorrow. Just joking around sometimes when people would leave my salon, I'd say, all right, see you tomorrow. And they, tomorrow? I mean, if you want to. Obviously, you might be coming back in a month or 6 weeks or 3 weeks or whatever it is, but why not kind of joke about it and say, I'll see you tomorrow. Why don't you come every day this week? Why don't you come in the morning and in the evening? I'll style your hair every day before work. I mean, just kind of joking around, like making it feel comfortable for people to hang out at your place a little longer than they should. Do you have a little boutique or something they can shop? Do they feel comfortable bringing friends and family to just sit around and wait for you? I know some of you guys are like, we don't have the room for all of that, but a lot of you guys do. And so you just want to make them feel comfortable having that sit down, relax, and then they won't be so mad when you're running a little late with your appointment either. But that third place, are they comfortable in your salon even when they're not getting their hair done? Make it that place.